लिसन टू मी केयरफुली। मैं अभी जो बोलने वाला हूँ, ये जो वीडियो का टाइटल है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज 2024 और 2025 ये तो जो 2 साल रहे हैं मेरे लिए, मैंने ये 2 साल पूरा का पूरा वेस्ट कर दिया। आई डिडंट वर्क ऑन माई पैशन विच वॉज यूट्यूब। तो इसके टर्म्स में मैंने इसको वेस्ट किया, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ बॉडी बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल, या आई ऑप्टिमाइज दैट। बट दिस थिंग यूट्यूब ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, एंड फॉर दैट रीजन, इसी रीजन की वजह से मैं बोल रहा हूँ दैट मैंने ये साल वेस्ट किया, ये 2 साल 2024, 2025 waste. I'm going to tell you what I've learned in this 5 months, not as a mentor, not as a mentor, not as a coach, not as a self-improvement guru, but as a brother. It's more of something like a brother to brother conversation. And listen to me carefully, because this is what I have learned in the 5 months of intense execution at every aspect of my life. From waking up early, from waking up 5:30 to doing fasted cardio to posting 3 times per week. और मैं सिर्फ एक पॉइंट में समराइज करूंगा। I'll summarize everything in just one point. I'll summarize this 5 months of intense execution in just one single point. And that will be, you already know enough. ये एक ऐसा सच है ना जो कभी नहीं बदलेगा. You do not need another YouTube video. You do not need another book. एंड द टिप, तुम्हें वो नॉलेज यूज करना होगा जो तुम्हारे पास अभी करंटली है. यू हैव टू यूज दैट नॉलेज विच यू हैव राइट नाउ. यू हैव टू यूज दैट एग्जिस्टिंग नॉलेज विद इन यू. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से this is going to be hard. There will be times in your life where you exactly know what to do, but you won't do it. This is how bad it has been. तुम्हें exactly मालूम होगा तुम्हें क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, but तुम वो नहीं करोगे. फिर भी इतना बुरा हो चुका है ये चीज. And anytime तुम कुछ करने का ट्राई करोगे, just because there is a lot of information out there is a lot of stimulation out there in Instagram, in YouTube, you'll end up comparing yourself with someone who is at level 100. Meanwhile, you are at level 1. And to fix this, you have to acknowledge that, yeah, I know exactly what to do, but I am not doing it. And to fix this, even you have to have enough courage to face this shit and to put yourself in that discomfortable situation where you have to wake up and sleep at the same time, do the work. And wait, let me rewind. When I say wake up and sleep at the same time, मैंने इसके जगह सुबह जल्दी उठना क्यों नहीं बोला जानते हो? Just because sleeping at the same time and waking up at the same time is really बहुत डिफिकल्ट है यार. ये इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट देन वेकिंग अप अर्ली. अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगा ना दैट सुबह जल्दी उठो, तो आप उठ जाओगे, यू विल वेक अप. बट इफ आई टेल यू दैट वेक अप एंड स्लीप एट द सेम टाइम, यू वोंट डू इट. बहुत लोग फेल कर जाएंगे. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई कैन रिकॉल दिस फ्रेज which goes something like this: winning isn't for everyone. And there was a podcast I was watching, between Joe Rogan and this guy named Matthew Walker. He's a sleep scientist and he emphasizes something like the importance of sleep. ये 5 महीने मैंने sleep को बहुत importance दिया है. He emphasizes something which goes like this: if you sleep less than 6 hours as a male, then you will have the level of testosterone of someone who is 10 years older than you. Let's say you're 20 years old, you'll have testosterone of someone 30 years old. ये एक चीज, और चीज बताता हूँ ना, you sometimes you think that there are guys, okay, there are guys who work hard, who really work hard, but they look like crackheads. But on the other hand, there are guys who work hard but they don't look like crackheads. Why? This term of sleep when you're dead, of course bro, of course, you will be dead if you don't sleep enough. You'll be dead if you don't sleep enough. So getting back to the topic, मैं ये बोल रहा था that there are guys who don't sleep, like they work a lot but they look like crap, like they're skinny fat and this and that. But there are other guys who work hard but they sleep more, but they look like they work better than them. क्यों? Because sleep is really important. Have adequate amount of sleep, managing adequate amount of sleep, working on your business or side hustle, going to the gym, doing other things which are necessary for you. Combining all of these things will make you extreme, but it will get you results within just few months. Sleeping and waking up at the same time, working on your business or side hustle, वो चीज़ों के ऊपर एक्शन लेना, सिर्फ वही चीज़ों के ऊपर एक्शन लेना जो तुम्हें तुम्हारे गोल, ये साल का जो 2 गोल है उसके तरफ आगे बढ़ाए. ये सारी चीज़ें करना ना, इट इज़ रियली डिफिकल्ट देन डूइंग अदर थिंग. These things, they're going to kick you right in your face and wake you up to the reality and take you to that discomfortable situation. And you have to be there. And trust me when I say this, if you be there, if you will be in that discomfortable situation for long enough, then yes, my friend, you are going to change your identity. You're going to change yourself. When you'll come back after 2 years, 3 years, people are going to notice a change in you. Because I have been there. I've seen it works. Yeah, it works. Of course it works. I can bet my life on it. It works. Yeah. And whatever the things I share in my videos is personally based upon what I have been through, or what I have been through. That's why I tell that I share things that has helped me. And of course it has helped me. That's why I'm sharing, because मेरा main motive ये नहीं है that I want to gain subscribers and all. Nah, that's not my motive. My motive is to share things that has share things that has helped me, and contribute something to the humanity. That's my biggest goal, if I say, because I have been around people. uh, मैं जैसे लोगों के आसपास रहता हूँ, that's what I've learned being around people who really want to do something for the humanity. So letting get back to the topic. I don't know why I tell things like this. So anyway, getting back to the topic. One more thing मैं जो एक और चीज बोलूंगा, that is, whenever you get an idea, act immediately on it. Don't think, don't plan, don't overthink. Don't think like I'll wait for confidence, I'll wait for clarity, I'll wait for motivation. अगर तुम ये सारी चीजों के लिए वेट करोगे ना, then you'll stay stuck. ये मत सोचो कि I need to optimize this thing, ये चीज और थोड़ा सही हो सकता है ना, just do it. Of course, yeah, if you really want to optimize something deeply, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नहीं, मैं ये चीज 5 महीने, 6 महीने, 7 महीने, 8 महीने के लिए कर चुका हूँ, लाइक लेट्स से तुम 10,000 स्टेप्स 5 महीने के लिए चले, और तुम्हें लगता है कि यार अब तुम थोड़ा बढ़ा सकते हो, इसको ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हो, 15,000 स्टेप्स से 12,000 स्टेप्स जा सकते हो, देन या ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन डू इट. बट इफ यू हैव बीन in something, if you have been in a plan, or let's say any kind of plan, like fitness plan, या कोई भी चीज, if you have been on something for just say few weeks or days, and you keep tweaking around, if you keep tweaking around with that plan, then life is going to tweak with you. Stop tweaking around, stop tweaking with life, stop tweaking around with that plan, and stay stuck, like stay consistent with that. अगर तुम बार बार कोई चीज को चेंज करते रहोगे, then how can you know that whether this thing actually works or not? If you keep on tweaking around, if you keep on changing the plan, then how can you know that whether this path actually works or not? And let me share you a quick story of mine. 2024 में ना, 2025 में, I knew exactly that I wanted to become a YouTuber. मुझे एक YouTuber बनना है. I wanted to share things, and I wanted to document. And even of course, अगर तुम मेरे चैनल की हिस्ट्री पे जाओगे ना, देखोगे that मैंने अपना चैनल 2024 को चालू किया है, बट मैंने अपना चैनल को सीरियसली 2026 में लिया. ओके, फिर 2024 और 2025 को मुझे मालूम था मुझे क्या करना है. ठीक है, इवन इन फैक्ट मेरे दोस्त मुझे बोलते थे दैट ब्रो यू शुड स्टार्ट यूट्यूब चैनल, और मैं आंसर जाते हुए भी कि मैं क्यों चालू नहीं कर रहा हूँ उन्हें बोल नहीं पाता था. आई कुडंट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस दैट थिंग. जब वो कोई मुझे पूछ लेता था कोई कि ब्रो तू यूट्यूब क्यों नहीं चालू कर रहा है, तो यूट्यूब में वीडियो क्यों पोस्ट नहीं कर रहा है, तूने तो अकाउंट बना लिया है बट पोस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहा है तू, तब मेरे पास जवाब नहीं होता था इसका. ये नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, मेरे पास जवाब नहीं होता था ये नहीं बोलूँगा, मेरे पास जवाब होता था, बट आई वॉजंट एबल टू आंसर. जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ बैड इट वॉज फॉर मी. जस्ट इमेजिन, तुम्हें मालूम है उसका जवाब पर तुम जवाब दे नहीं पा रहे हो. और स्ट्रेट 2024 और 2025 में मैं स्ट्रेट खुद के साथ इतना डिबेट किया दैट व्हाई एम आई नॉट फकिंग पोस्टिंग द कंटेंट, और मुझे जवाब मालूम था फिर भी मैं नहीं लिख पा रहा था जर्नल पे. 2024 को 2025 को ये डिबेट पे लगा दिया दैट मैं क्यों पोस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, 2024 के 2025 के जर्नल्स इस चीज़ से भरे हुए हैं कि मैं क्यों एक्चुअली पोस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑफ आई वाजंट एबल टू आंसर दैट थिंग, व्हाई एम आई नॉट पोस्टिंग, उसके चक्कर में बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फ्रस्ट्रेशन आई स्प्लिटेड अप with the person I was with at that time. तुम जानते हो मैं किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Even became little bit inconsistent, not in terms of I stopped going to the gym, but I became inconsistent with my diet. I became inconsistent with my physique even. That's why if you go and watch my previous videos, then you won't see any progress. But Yeah, even my face used to look like shit, and I started getting acne. But in 2026, I decided that fuck this shit, man. Let me just put my tripod and put the turn on my phone and start on recording. Then I started on recording, and दो वीडियोस तीन वीडियोस चार वीडियोस के बाद मुझे पता चला दैट जो आंसर के पीछे मैं भाग रहा था, that was not an answer. That was an illusion to keep me trapped. That was the illusion to keep me trapped. That was a fucking illusion, man. And the moral of this story is don't wait for your answers. कि तुम्हें यार मैं इसका और थोड़ा लिख लेता हूँ. You are not fucking a writer or something like that. Don't try to be this fucking writer कि मुझे सब चीज़ लिखना है. Yeah, you can of course journal a lot. I do journal a lot. Yeah, I do journal a lot, like a lot of journals. I have a lot of journals. If someone lives with me, then he can absolutely tell that I do write a lot of things, like trying to bomb India or something like that. Just joking. So don't wait for something like मैं ये आंसर आ जाए कि ये चीज़ क्यों करना है, वाई मिल जाए. वाई मिल जाएगा, तुम पहले वो चीज़ चालू तो करो. सही चालू तो करो, उसके बाद तुम्हें वाई मिल जाएगा और तुम करते रहो. इवन इन फैक्ट ये रिकॉर्डिंग 3 बार बंद हो चुका है, जस्ट बिकॉज एक बार मेरा अलार्म बजा लंच करने का, दूसरी बार स्टोरेज चला गया. फिर भी I started on recording. I deleted some shit and I started recording. So yeah, that's it for today's video, man. If you like this video, then consider taking action upon this video because जितना भी point मैंने बोला है, these are all useful. If this shit really helped you, then consider subscribing the channel, smash the like button, and leave a lovely comment down below. And if this shit really helped you, then share it with someone else or whoever who needs to watch this kind of videos. Let me know in the comments. Are these theories or are these facts? Speak soon, gentlemen.